Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install X, Twitter, app and enable safety mode. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Twitter app on your device, start by unlocking your smartphone or tablet. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Twitter and press enter. Select the Twitter app from the search results. Tap the install button to begin downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. For iOS users, open the App Store on your device. In the Search tab, enter Twitter and hit Search. Find the Twitter app in the results and tap on it. Then, select Get to download and install the app. After the installation, tap Open to access Twitter. Now, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Look for Safety Mode within the options provided. Tap on Safety Mode to open its settings. Toggle the switch to enable Safety Mode. Read the brief description and confirm any prompts. Safety Mode will now help protect your Twitter experience. You can adjust these settings at any time through the same menu. Enjoy your enhanced Twitter experience with Safety Mode enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.